Hey guys, Metal Kid here. I know it's been a little while since my last video. I didn't think I was going to have much until I got a pre-order in, but I picked this up. I kind of caved. This is the 7 clear vinyl and a 7-inch from Relapse, that grab bag. It was 50 bucks. I thought it was a good price, so it's worth the risk for that. So open this up to see what we're gonna get. Hopefully something awesome. Who knows? So here we go. They package these things really well. I mean, I love the way they do their packaging. Got a whole bunch of bubble wrap, but it is a pain in the butt to get off sometimes. So first off is the 7-inch, which is bird flesh. Never heard of these guys, but the cover looks hilarious. I'm thinking maybe punk or something. And there's the back. It's actually a split too. It's bird flesh and hate beak. A little split, which is pretty cool. And like I said, it's on clear vinyl. All of them are going to be on clear vinyl because it was part of the sale. So, hey, looks fun. Interested to see what this is, but like I said, it kind of looks like a little punkish stuff. So this one is actually the coffins and Ilsa split. See two things in here kind of made me upset, but clear. And this does have the etching on it. Don't know if you're able to see it, but it's the cover. But yeah, already have it, so kind of hopefully not all 7 of these are going to be duplicates, because the next one I see already is a duplicate. And that would be, oops, come on. That's Zombie with Spirit Animal. Double LP. Clear. So it's 0 for 2 for new stuff. But you know, that's the risk you take on getting blind bags. But the next one looks like something I don't own. Put that back in here. And it is not. And that is 16 with, which one is this? Drop Out. Take it out so I can see it better. And if I think correctly, 16 is kind of like a sludge, kind of stoner metal. So, happy about that one, because I did not own it yet. Come on, go in there. Sorry guys, I'm tired. I just got back from work. Helped out with an inventory today. So, excited to listen to that one. Come on, go in there. single, of course, clear vinyl. The first two are kind of more like a foggy clear, whereas this one was like a clear, which is pretty cool. And this one is 180 gram too. Next up, looks pretty awesome. And that is the Black Anvil. Black Anvil with triumvirate. No idea. I think Black Anvil is kind of like a thrashy band. This might be a different one. It says, dedicated to Leo Motori and Michael Arnson, your black flame forever burns inside us. So, that looks pretty cool. Happy to get that one. I mean, I'm basically happy to get any ones that I haven't owned yet. First two, kind of set that I got them, but you know, I won't put that back in there because that took forever last time. Next up is Dan Caballero with Punkgasm. Not sure what that is. Probably a punk album. Clear vinyl, of course. Little printed inner sleeves. Is this a double LP? Yeah, it's a double LP. Which are cool. I mean, I got 2 double LPs, which is pretty cool. In there. How many do I have now? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. Probably been in the way the entire time, but oh well. And this one is, ooh, happy about this one. And that is Amorphous with Privilege of Evil. I haven't owned anything from Amorphous yet, which super happy to get something. It was one of the bands I was going to be happy with getting something from them. So super stoked on that, and I see what the last one is, and I'm stoked on that one too. But going back to Amorphous, awesome thing. Got crystal clear vinyl. Ignore them; they're fighting as usual. And the last one, which I'm excited for. Pretty sure it's the last one. No extras. That would be Black Tusk with Pillars of Ash. I love the artwork on the Black Tusk stuff. It's a single. Not a gatefold, but we do have a lyric sheet in here. If I could get it out. Back. Front. I think this is the one. Yes, this one is dedicated to Jonathan Anthem, their bass player, that passed away before this album actually came out. Sad because it's a great band, and he was a big part of it. But yeah, that is everything that I got in this grab bag. Like I said, 2 stuff I already had, but the other 5 plus the 7-inch, happy to get those because I didn't have them, especially the Amorphous and this Black Tusk. I'll have to see what this Black Anvil is all about too. So yeah, until next time, I have one other thing coming in the mail. I might not have another update until I get back from my Japan and Korea trip. So hopefully I could get some good stuff out there. I'm saving my money for it. And until next time, guys, take care.